Scientific knowledge refers to the information and understanding that has been acquired through the scientific method and rigorous investigation. It is a systematic and evidence-based body of knowledge that is continuously developed and refined through observation, experimentation, and analysis. Scientific knowledge is characterized by the following key aspects. Empirical. Scientific knowledge is based on empirical evidence obtained from observations and experiments. It relies on objective and measurable data that can be verified and reproduced by others. Objective. Science strives to be objective, minimizing personal biases and subjective interpretations. It emphasizes the use of standardized methodologies and rigorous analysis to ensure reliable and unbiased results. Testable and falsifiable. Scientific knowledge is subject to testing and verification. Hypotheses and theories can be tested through experiments and observations, and they must be falsifiable, meaning that they can potentially be proven wrong or modified based on new evidence. Reproducible. Scientific findings should be reproducible by other researchers following the same methodology and using the same data. Reproducibility allows for independent verification of results and strengthens the reliability of scientific knowledge. Cumulative and self-correcting. Scientific knowledge is cumulative, building upon previous discoveries and theories. It is an ongoing process of refining and expanding our understanding of the natural world. New evidence or observations can lead to revisions or even paradigm shifts in scientific theories. Peer-reviewed. Scientific knowledge undergoes peer review, where experts in the field critically evaluate research findings before they are published. This process helps ensure the quality and validity of scientific knowledge and promotes rigorous standards within the scientific community. Scientific knowledge spans various disciplines, including physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, psychology, and many others. It forms the foundation for technological advancements, medical breakthroughs, environmental understanding, and overall human progress.